आणि अंदूच्या वर्सा 60 कोटी स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट 11 5 इयर प्लॅनान दिवपाचो आसा. ते 5 वर्सांक जर 60 कोटी जाले जाल्यार एका वर्साक 12 कोटी जाल्यो. म्हणजेच आमचे कडेन पयशे तांकां स्टेट युनिवर्सिटी खर्च करपाक आसा. इतकें आसतना ती कन्वर्शन कित्याक करून घेवप. आनी आमच्या ह्या युनिवर्सिटीची एसेट पळयल्यार 4000 कोटी आसा. ही जी एसेट आसा ती एसेट सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाक कित्याक दिवप.
Mrs. Sawant, on behalf of the council, also suggested that a one-man committee be appointed to study the feasibility of setting up a world-class central university in the state.
आणि हाणी एक मागणी आशिल्ली की वर्ल्ड क्लास युनिवर्सिटी हांगा स्थापन जावची. कित्याक प्रायम मिनिस्टरान इनिशिएटीव घेवन कितकेशेच पयशे दिल्ले आसा. ताजो फायदो गोंय राज्याक जावचो म्हणून वन मॅन कमिटी फादर रोनाल्डो डिसुजा हाच्या खाला एक युनिवर्सिटी एक वन मॅन कमिटी स्थापन करची आणि वर्ल्ड क्लास युनिवर्सिटी गोंयांत हाडची जी सेंट्रल युनिवर्सिटी आसतली. आणि ही युनिवर्सिटी सावथ गोवान आसची. कित्याक सावथ गोवान जागोय खूब आसा रिमोट एरियेन. ताचो उपयोग करचो जाणे करून जे कोर्सीस ह्या युनिवर्सिटीन ना ते कोर्सीस त्या युनिवर्सिटीन सुरू जावचे.
The chairperson of the Goa State Commission for the Protection of Child Rights, along with members of the commission, visited the anaerobic digestive system plant at Pato in Panjim on Tuesday morning, following a visit and meeting with the heads of the 5 schools situated around Pato. Students and faculty representatives of which had on Monday evening submitted a memorandum to the chairperson of the commission requesting her to address the issue of the garbage problem being faced by them. Speaking to the media, Omkar Gaunkar, a student of People's High School, pleaded for an immediate solution to the stench that they were being faced with every day.
We are getting a bad smell of this garbage. We are falling sick every day. We are getting different types of diseases like fever, sick. We are getting vomiting. Then we are getting nausea. We can't study well, and we answered our exam like this. So now we are. So we told our teacher, we told our parents, we told our headmasters, we told our headmistress, we told the PTA chairmen and all, but no one is coming forward. So now I request you all to do something of this garbage. Thank you.
Sameera Khazi, chairperson of the Goa State Commission for Protection of Children's Rights, expressed her cohesion with the students and faculty of the affected schools.
We have been getting complaints from the schools and from the NGO, and while visiting this situation is really unbearable to see where the children are suffering. We've gone to all the schools and principals and we have seen the site. It is just awful, and the stink is in the air, the smell is in the air, and when the wind blows, you know, nobody can stand. Even the principals who are immune to it from the last 2 years, I think nobody could bear. I feel, you know, the people responsible, they should themselves come over here and take the experience of this, and then they would come to the conclusion who could do regarding these problems. So for that reason we have come over here. It is in our jurisdiction to take care of the child. What is in our jurisdiction and what best we can do, we will definitely take up a meeting, because this is a very severe problem, and whatever best we can do, you all will soon come to know after 1 week.
Speaking to Goa 365, Advocate Jatin Naik alleged that the garbage of the offshore casinos was being illegally dumped at the site during odd hours of the night. Advocate Naik further alleged that the CCP, whilst refusing to collect garbage from the eating houses in the city, was collecting garbage from the controversial offshore casinos plying along the river Mandovi.
The other irony is that the city corporation has told all the hoteliers that they are not going to take their garbage, they are not going to decompose the garbage of the hoteliers. But at the same time, the city corporation is taking the garbage of casinos. This is very objectionable. You know, you hoteliers, you at least who are giving the food services to the people in Panaji, but they are rejecting their garbage. At the same time, they are giving the services to the casinos for dumping that casino garbage here on this side.
It was a truly horrendous spectacle for both the members of the commission as well as the media who visited the site in question, as one had to literally hold his breath for want of fresh air. Don't go away, we'll be right back after this short break with stories on garbage and more. Welcome back, you're with Goa 365. The Corporation of the City of Panjim, at a meeting held on Monday evening, decided not to collect the garbage generated by 42 eating places in the city until they were provided with a permanent site for collecting and disposing of the city waste by the government.
Hotelaची collection 42 hotels पे आम्ही केले, त्यांचे collection करचे ना.
It may be recalled that owners of eating houses in the capital had, in response to a notice by the CCP, requested that they be given a fortnight to make their own arrangements for disposing the waste generated within their premises. The deadline had ended on the 14th of November. They have now requested for a further 15 days to enable them to come up with a solution to their garbage disposal problem. The CCP has refused the same and has decided not to collect the garbage of all these 42 eating places in the city. Meanwhile, Tony Rodrigues, Mayor of the Corporation of the City of Panjim, also informed that the CCP was not in a position to collect the garbage that would be generated during the International Film Festival of India, which is scheduled to begin later this month, if the government failed to identify a site for setting up garbage management facilities in the city by the 22nd of November.
आमकां तर सायट दिना गव्हर्मेंट अजून पासून फिफीचे कलेक्शन आमकडे करूंक जावचें ना, डिस्पोज करपाक जावचें ना. आनीक सायट दिना जाल्यार फिफीचे पळय गार्बेज कितें जाता ती एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटीन तेणी कोणी प्रायवेटायज नाजाल्यार कोणाक तेंचे ओन करून मॅनेज करचें पडटलें.
Gaurish Don, member of the Travel and Tourism Association of Goa, informed the media about a Pune-based company that was willing to manage the garbage of hotels in the city for a year on a trial basis.
We had a party from Pune by Mr. Kale, who also gave us presentation and said that he could handle the garbage of Panji on a trial basis for a period of 1 year, provided the CCP would be able to shell out something around 22 or 24 lakhs and a space of 1,000 square meters provided to him. But we tried to speak to our Honorable Minister for Urban Development, Mr. Joke Malayama, who is out of India at the moment, but he was available on phone. He said he would try and come out with some solutions tomorrow.
With IFFI just 5 days away and the CCP being adamant that it will not collect the waste of the city during the crucial 10-day festival, the government better come up with a solution so that visitors to the state do not go back home with memories full of stench. Well, the garbage issue, it appears, is back to haunt the villagers of Kurka, as the Corporation of the City of Panjim is attempting to get a temporary reprieve to dump the city waste in the village, with the villagers being equally adamant and determined to prevent this from happening once again. At a meeting held at Kurka on Monday that was attended by over 100 villagers, including the Sant Andre MLA Francis Silveira, the villagers of Kurka said that they would not allow the dumping of garbage at their village, as such a move would destroy the ecology of the village.
आमचे एक नो टॅक्स संकोश्ट आमचे येयले आनी ते आतां सद्याक बंद जालेले ते परत आमी चालू करूंक उपकारना आनी ताका दिवंक उपकारना. आतां सद्याक आमची सगळीं शेतां बाट हें बांयो सगळे पिड्यार केले, टँकर हाडून उदक दिता आमकां. ह्या हेजेर आमी आहा, पूण आतां हें आमी हें करूंक उपकारना. त्या पासून ही गार्बेज आमी कशी हिंगासर हाडून दिवंक उपकारना.
Although the Sant Andre MLAs Francis Silveira and the Sarpanch of Kurka, Subhash Dias, were present at the meeting, they did not speak as the code of conduct is in force because of the upcoming Pale by-elections. On Tuesday morning, around 100 villagers of Kurka went to meet the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath at his official residence in Althi in Panjim. However, the Chief Minister was not available in spite of the villagers having taken a prior appointment to meet him.
काल आमची मीटिंग जाल्ली